Hi, Larry Gaines. Here's a nice little trade setup that you might want to look at. Now, the Fed did their thing today, and they surprised the markets and got the markets really moving hard to the upside. But we also saw Apple yesterday starting to break out from a downtrend channel, and that today had follow through. Now, on my cycle momentum indicators, I'm seeing cycle 1 start to flip to the upside. We're coming back into the 618 retracement at 128. And there's a big amount of open interest at 130. So that's for monthly expiration on Friday of this week. So here's a couple trade setup ideas for you. Now I want to show you two trade setups. Now, first off, if you look at Apple tomorrow, Thursday the 19th, it's added to the Dow. So that should also push Apple higher, because you're going to have a lot of different funds balancing and having to put Apple into their portfolio based on the Dow index and the makeup there. But a couple other things you've got, if you look at open interest, the 130 strike, you've got a good amount of open interest on the put side here, over 15,000, and then also 68,000 on the call side. So a lot of times within the expected move, it'll gravitate to those levels. So to the downside, that would be 125. You can see the big open interest there. To the upside, it's 130. Now, the market's trending to the upside, so there's a higher probability now that Apple will potentially push back again towards that 130 strike. So one trade setup that I did today earlier before the market really took off was I sold the 128, bought the 127 bull put credit spread, got into that at 50 cents. It's now 28. The other one is if you can get into the 129, 128. It's currently at 50 cents. So that's a 1-by-1 put spread. So that's a nice risk ratio there. And then another possibility is you could even look to sell the 130, 129 at 60 to 65 cents. So a couple trade ideas there. Hope that helps. But these are some ways to play it: low capital account, small risk, and go from there. Talk to you on the next update.